Loughborough University is a new university of the 60s. It was chartered as a full university in 1966, and for the first 30 years it had the title Loughborough University of Technology. This is one of the very few hologram facilities in British universities, and this is one of the first opportunities for students to see a hologram lecture, to have a guest lecturer that enables knowledge exchange at a distance, in this case from Loughborough in the UK to Vaasa in Finland.
My name is Johanna Hautala. I'm Associate Professor in the University of Vaasa, and I am now in Vaasa in Finland. Well, and in Loughborough there as well. The lecture was about transforming geographies of knowledge in the era of AI. So I was talking about how AI affects regional development at the moment in different parts of the world. I think this is very, very interesting. I'm very happy that I was able to do this because I'm very interested about these technologies and piloting this part of my research, not only as a teacher, but also as a researcher. I think this was really nice. I have never experienced anything like this, but also I would like to be the audience to see something like this to happen. So I'm looking forward to experience the other side of it. But yeah, I would love to do it again.
I feel I wasn't expecting that clear of an image of someone speaking to me from Finland. I think a lot of us came into this expecting a Teams call and expecting just that sort of computerized image. But I think actually having the full-length image of the professor really helped. I think that sort of just gave it that more of a human touch.
It was kind of surreal. It was like someone said it earlier, very Black Mirror-y. The first 5 minutes was kind of surreal, but I would like to see something like this again.
I think it's a really good opportunity to hear perspectives from different lecturers across the world. It's quite rare to have a lecturer come in from another place, that alone from another country. So yeah, I think it's a really good opportunity to do this.
It is a great team effort that this hologram lecture went so smoothly. To have a guest lecturer in the module who speaks about her expertise without the travel involved, so it saves carbon footprint, without travel costs, so it saves funding, and it's a wonderful way to teach to the student what it means to engage with latest technological developments, with artificial intelligence that enables knowledge production, knowledge dissemination and knowledge exchange at a distance. And in which module would it be better placed than in globalization, economy and innovation?